Hello students, last turn we studied about what is the method and procedure, what is the difference between method and procedure, and we also study about translation cum grammar method. Translation cum grammar method is also called traditional method, and today we study about direct method. What is direct method? The direct method of teaching a foreign language came as a reaction against the translation cum grammar method. It is also called the natural method. It is also called reform method, anti-grammatical method. The main aim of it is to establish a direct bond or link between the object and the word. It aims at teaching English directly. It helps in creating the ability to think and speak in foreign language with good pronunciation. Principles. It is the principle of establishing a direct bond between the English word and its meaning. As if we want to tell the meaning of pen, then a teacher should show the pen and say that this is a pen. Students see the pen and understand that it is a pen. Second, lays emphasis on oral work. Next, speech habits are the basis of writing habits. It means, first of all, student learn speech and after that writing. Sentence is the unit of speech. Audio visual aids are used to teach through this method. The direct method does not stress upon the necessity of teaching formal grammar in the beginning. Now, advantages of direct method. The direct method teaches the English language in the same way in which the child learns his own mother tongue. The language is taught through demonstration and conversation. That is why it is also called the natural method, because in this method teacher don't said the meaning of difficult words, but he used various audio visual aids to tell the meaning of difficult words, phrases and sentences. Second point, the direct association between the English word, phrases and their meaning helps in understanding English in a better way, and the child develops a better expression in speech and in writing. Next, it enables the learners to express their thoughts and feelings directly in English without the intervention of the mother tongue. So, this method ensures fluency of speech. Next, it lays emphasis on speech. Next, the pupil can speak fluently. They can also write fairly quickly and correctly. The use of objects, pictures, models and audio-visual aids make the lesson real and interesting, because in this method teacher use various audio-visual aids to tell the meaning of word, phrases and sentence. Next, it aims the practical command of English at the lower stage, because students think in English, not in mother tongue. Next, cramming of words and their meaning is discouraged in this method, because teacher try to direct bond between the word and its object. Next, understanding of English language become easier in this method, because when teacher use various audio visual aids, student learn easily. Now, disadvantages of direct method. Direct method is not a complete method, as it lays more emphasis on speech, because in this method more and more emphasis is given to speech, so we can say that it is not a complete method. Next, other aspects, that is reading, writing, etc., do not receive much attention in this method. So, the pupils who speak English fluently commit many spelling and grammatical mistake in their writing, because there is no emphasis on grammar in this method. So, student commits mistake. Only smart and active teachers can use this method. Direct method ignores translation completely. It is a costly method because teachers try to make various audiovisual aids to tell the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Much time is consumed in creating real life situation. So we can say that it is a time consuming method. Only a limited number of words can be directly associated with their meanings or objects they represent. There are certain words in English the definition of explanation of which is difficult to explain only in English. It means ऐसे बहुत से वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस हैं जिनको हम इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करके समझाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इसीलिए डायरेक्ट मेथड यहाँ पर डिसएडवांटेजेस शो करता है. एक्टिव टीचर्स कैन यूज़ दिस मेथड. एक्टिव टीचर्स मीन्स मतलब टीचर्स जो वेरियस काइंड्स की टीचिंग एड्स और उसको रियल लाइफ से जोड़ सकते हैं वही इस मेथड्स के थ्रू बेटर वे में टीचिंग कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.